focus to what we're tracking from the national capital. In fact, a month after Kejriwal's defeat in the Delhi elections, the Delhi Police Security Unit has decided to consult the Ministry of Home Affairs regarding his security cover. The ministry will decide whether his Z Plus security should continue or be scaled down. But this follows a day after Kejriwal was seen travelling with a convoy of over 100 Punjab police personnel and luxury bulletproof vehicles on his way to a Vipassana centre in Punjab. Sources reveal that a security review, by the MHA was conducted after Kejriwal lost his MLA seat, and the decision was made to maintain his Z-grade security until further notice. Currently, Kejriwal enjoys Z Plus security provided by the MHA due to his threat perception and Z category, that is security from the Delhi police. Despite resigning as the CM in September 2024, Kejriwal's security cover has remained high due to ongoing security threats. All right, we'll try going across to my colleague Pradeep Datta for more on that. But what is essentially unfolded here is that his security is under review. The Delhi police is seeking the the Ministry of Home Affairs approval. More importantly, the visuals that you see on your screens is the number of vehicles that is a part of his convoy. In fact, that particular moment, this is vehicle number 13 and 14, and that has come under radar. Remember, this also was a huge bone of contention when the Aam Aadmi Party was also campaigning for the Delhi polls, where he had spoken about threat against him at that point of time. And this was also the timing of the fact that despite him resigning as the chief minister in September 2024, Kejriwal's security cover had remained high due to those particular security threats that was stated back then. But more importantly, with the latest that is coming into the fore, this is a month nearly after what we saw with Kejriwal losing in the Delhi polls. The Delhi Police Security Unit now has decided to consult the Ministry of Home Affairs regarding his security cover. That is, the ministry, in fact, will decide whether his Z Plus security should continue or to be scaled down. What you look at in your screens, of course, are two sets of visuals. One of Arvind Kejriwal interacting with people, citizens rather, and on the right hand of your screens, you're looking at very important details of what that security cover is looking like for him. We'll try playing out those visuals of those fleet of cars once again to show you the number of vehicles that is a part of that entourage that does follow the ex-Delhi CM. That particular visual, if you're able to play that on our screens, but this also follows a day after Kejriwal was seen travelling with a convoy of over 100 Punjab police personnel. Look at the visuals on your screens. It's also been marked in terms of the number of cars as well that follows the ex-Delhi CM as a part of this. Now, he's, of course, in Punjab. That was on his way to the Vipassana centre. And that's when this 100 Punjab police personnel and luxury bulletproof vehicles had accompanied with him. Let me cut across to Pradeep Datta, who will, of course, give us more details about the same. Pradeep, very good morning to you. Visuals also playing out on our screens. More importantly, how do we look at this matter now? Because on several instances, he had spoken about how there was a threat to his life. Then we saw that security cover as well. But with the fact that he doesn't hold that position anymore of Delhi CM, and right after what we saw politically speaking as well, and now for this to be reviewed by the MHA, what has prompted that?
Yes, you're absolutely right, because the Kejriwal had been enjoying the Z Plus security cover because of the threat perception, because no more he's now the chief minister, so he's not enjoying that portfolio. So that's one of the reasons that the security unit of Delhi has already written to the Delhi police, and that now they are going to take up the matter with the Ministry of Home Affairs, and Ministry of Home Affairs will decide whether the security is to be reviewed, because once the security will be reviewed, they are going to look at the threat perception, and on the basis of the threat perception, either they are going to maintain the same security what it has been provided to Arvind Kejriwal, or they are going to further downgrade the security. That's what they are going to do, because we have seen that recently his security cover has become a kind of a controversial thing, because he went to Punjab for the Vipassana centre, and it was seen that about cavalcade of about 50 vehicles were following him, and when this question was asked to the Punjab government, they said it is because of the threat perception. But opposition party leaders started hitting out at Kejriwal. They said that now he's no more the chief minister, but he's trying to enjoy the luxurious life at the expense of the the Punjab government, and that's what actually he had been doing. So it's the taxpayers' money. So now that once again, now the security wing is looking into this aspect, whether the same security cover is to be provided to him, because they are going to review the threat perception, and on the basis of the threat perception, they will decide the decision. But the decision at the end of the day, it's to be taken by the Ministry of Home Affairs, because the letter will be sent in the coming days to MHA, and MHA will decide about whether they are going to review his security cover, look at the threat perception, and after the assessment of the threat perception, they are going to decide what kind of a security is to be provided to Arvind Kejriwal. Because in the past we have seen that the same action was initiated against many other people. It was done in case of the Rahul Gandhi also. It was done in case of Priyanka Gandhi after assessment of the threat that finally some security was downgraded. And it was done in case of Umar Abdullah in the past, when Umar Abdullah was not the chief minister, but now again he's the chief minister. The security has been upgraded. So this is when you don't hold the portfolio. Finally the threat assessment is to be, and the security cover is to be reviewed, and accordingly the decision is to be taken. Let's see what the decision will be taken about after the threat perception assessment that will be done by the agencies, and it will be on the basis of the threat perception by the agencies that finally the decision in regard of the security cover to the Kejriwal will be discussed, and accordingly it will be decided. So let's see. But right now it's like yes, they are going to review the security cover of Arvind Kejriwal in coming day, because right now he's enjoying a Z+ security cover because of the threat perception from Khalistani terrorists and other organizations. So that's
You've
one of the
rightly
reasons
pointed
that he had
out.
been
It
given the
remains to be
Z+
seen how that will pan out, with sources indicating that the MHA is going to be looking at that aspect. But Pradeep, thank you very much for joining us with more. But for the moment, we leave it at that. Let's shift our focus now to more that